Killer. What's up, you guys? Billions and billions. What is up? What is up, TikTok and YouTok? Crazy down gold like usual. I make sure everything's working. Why is gold? Yeah, gold just loves to go up. What up, Dan? Mr. B. You guys can see what the areas I've got marked out here. I think it's pretty valid. I think it's pretty valid for a break above or a break below. Not a fan of this structure. I knew people would say that, but you just have to adapt. You have to adapt. I wasn't a fan of the new Fortnite guns that just got released, but I've adapted and they're actually growing on me now. And that's what life's all about, right? I think that's what life's all about. No, I'll add things. Looks like it's going sideways. Yeah, we're basically going sideways right now. Hey man, I whack off. Hey bro, you say you whack off all the time. Watched your podcast earlier, Grave. Ah, nice. Sick. Thank you. Glad you liked it. What up, Favor? Yeah, so I like what we're looking at here. A breakout to either side, I'm pretty interested in. I'm not interested in participating within this range here. Personally, I'm personally not interested in participating in that range. Big graph. In the Beninging. How's the market today? Yeah, we had a crazy bullish run. So, you know, we were streaming in the mentorship Asia down here, and then it just took off for like 600 pips. And now we've kind of come down, we're consolidating within this range. I quite like that we're in this range because if we can get a breakout, we've got clean traffic to both sides. You get the Raja Banks law? Why? What do you mean? Catching Asia trades? No, we were waiting for a you know, we broke out below here. We had this level here marked out. Then we broke below and we're potentially going to participate in a sell. And then she just flew. You know, I took a little impulse buy around here. Well, not around here, right here. I was able to get 600 or 200 on each account. You know, a bit of a advanced play, or you know, could even say it's a bit of a risky play, but I've just seen things play out so many times with gold that I just got my little piece of the pie there. What kind of advice are you trying to give? You need all the advice you can get, Talia. Chester, femininity a problem. Big Paul, what up, what up? Good to chat today, my brother. Did a bunch of one-on-ones with some of the guys in the mentorship today. It's one of the benefits of the mentorship as well. Like the guys have the ability to just give me a call whenever, really. We can book a one-on-one at any point, really. Which kind of differentiates it from, like, you know, a coaching program to an actual mentorship, which is, hey bro, I'm your dude, and we can catch up whenever. Can you explain clean traffic? So yeah, essentially just meaning like, how do you feel after you missed out on a great opportunity yesterday? I didn't miss out on a great opportunity. What are you talking about? I mean clean traffic in the sense that if we get a break below here, I know, look at this, it's just one candle. Very clean. right? And the same to the upside. It's just one color, as opposed to like, you know, it looking like this essentially. Sup, Zest? What up, CJ Zest J? Big Chris. Trades Meow. Big Noah. Bruce. This isn't breakout strategy. No, hasn't cleared 50% of FEG. Whoa. 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 This is how the story goes. Did you get a reversal earlier? Big Traderholics, what up, my brother? My boy is a alcoholic for trading. Is this candle close red? Nah, I'm not looking to participate within this range, Chester. Carolina, good to see you. Good to see you. Good morning, Daniel. I love the stream. I love watching your videos. I'm slowly learning from you. Just keep it up. Oh, nice. Good stuff, Ivan. Yes, sir. We keep trading. We keep showing up. The interesting thing about this is we show up every day. That's the interesting thing about all of this shit. It's not some days when we feel good. It's not some days when we win. It's every day. To this day. I took an L today and forgot what it felt like. If you forgot what taking an L feels like, bruh, what do you mean? I love ranging markets. Yeah, I don't mind ranging markets as a breakout trader because once it does break out, like we can identify the clear zones, and then when it breaks out, we do shit. Is this AI? Yes. I saw another live streamer yesterday lose 5K. Not wishing, but fakeness online exists. Wait, what do you mean? How's it fake if they lost 5K? What up, Marique? Got faked out a while ago. Big Frank. Yeah, just sitting on the 15-minute time frame, but essentially just waiting for a breakout on a 15 or a 30 or also about $100 this morning, and I'm on a funded account. Can you help me today? No. Little rat. Yeah, we're just looking for a little rat scalp, CJ. Little ratty. Yeah, Trend, if you lost $100 and you're asking people online to help you, like it's, you know, it's still very early days for you in your trading journey, I believe. And this is your chance now to face the reality of trading and see how you respond. Losing's a part of the game. Then I lost it all in New York. Hate New York session. Is it New York or is it you? Because the charts are just as they are. The charts are just as they are. Big Lee. Thoughts on election results? Zero thoughts. Why can't I write bounce? What? Yeah, my thoughts on election results are there's zero. we just showed up, Seba. Just showed up now. Advice for newbies, please. My advice for newbies is just don't worry about the money. Don't worry about anything other than learning the game. Learn, learn, learn. Even as an advanced and professional trader, you still don't think about the money. You never think about the money. The more you think about the money, the more things go bad. All you can think about is your system, your rules, your proven edge, and money will just follow. Don't think about the money. Honey. I love that. Yeah, don't worry about the money. I always say this, if you just focus on the skill set, money will be a byproduct. Where was the trade you took earlier? Yeah, it was a bit of an impulse trade. I'll go on the 15. I just took a bit of an impulse buy around here as it broke past this red candle. It's more of like an advanced play. I wouldn't even worry about it. I almost don't want to talk about it because guys in the mentorship are like, why don't you teach me this system? And it's like, it's just plain trading gold for so many years. Like you see certain things. Just took a little rat scalp there. Big Nate, what up? What up? What do you think about the scenario where there's a breakout on the 30, 1 hour, but the 4 hour still open, the 4 hour? Yeah, it's circumstantial, Matt. That's a good question. But typically I would be listening to what the 1 hour and the 30 say. Yeah. Yep. I think that's good. Yeah, weekend was good. Mentorship's gone amazing. Yeah, it's gone amazing. It's really good to have a group of guys and girls that chasing the same dream, using the same strategy. Everyone can help each other. Well, my thoughts are that a majority of Australians are dense. Yeah, I feel like anybody that says something like that in a YouTube chat is probably the dense one. Did you have one red month in the last 1 year? I don't think so. I don't think I've had an entire red month. I find, I'll be honest, it would be very difficult for me to have a red month unless I completely lost emotional control and did dumb shit. But sticking to the rules, it'd be very difficult to have a red month. You know, it would be difficult to have a red month. Unless you you did something really silly. But for money we trade for, yeah. So that's a good point. Like the idea we trade for the money, and that's why trading is so difficult because it's counterintuitive. You actually, on a deeper level that you're trading for money, but at the same time you can't think about the money. Right? So it's a head fuck. Just started my first challenge on funded. Connect, bro. Nice, Chris. Connect, bro. Connect that account. Holmes, can you check out Casper? No, I don't know anything about coins and stuff. Isn't that a Raja impulse entry? Yeah, that's something that Raja would do for sure. Raja would probably do some sort of impulsive entry. Yep. Do you still feel FOMO? No, I've never really had an issue with FOMO too much personally. I know a lot of people do. Bro, there's no way I look like Alex Hormozy. Recovering from the NFP losses. Oh, the NFP stream was wild. All right, so we're getting this candle here, push up. Looks kind of ugly. Let's have a look. Looks kind of ugly. You know, when you got candles that move, see how it's moved from support, and we've had 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th green candle in a row, and it's this 4th one that kind of broke out here. You know, it's a pretty strong candle. It's stronger than the prior ones. I really would want like a red candle. I would really want to see red before this breakout. Yeah, Chester, that's exactly what I'm saying right now. Yeah. Type 1 setup. Yeah, breakout, basically it's simple type 1. Up 200, risking 16. All it takes is one. Yeah, that's a pretty big RR. Wait, what the fuck is that? Like a 10, that's like a 13 to 1 or something. Fake breakout? Well, it's not fake. It did break out. Why did that 15 candle reverse? It didn't reverse. It's just how markets move. They move up and down. What up below? What's your strategy? Just price action. FOMO's the hardest thing I've had to learn to deal with, but listening to your advice, I'm now... Yeah, I'll tell you, and I don't know if it'll work for you, but yeah, the biggest thing I've always think now is if I see a big move and I feel like I've missed it maybe, I've just seen time and time again, if I just wait, let a bit of structure form, you'll genuinely get another setup, like soon. And you don't need to get every trade, you know, like every move. I shouldn't say trade, every move. You just wait for break, retest, and entry. In this kind of situation, yes, I'll still be pretty... Yeah, I want obviously a bit more of a retest for this just because we've moved so much green. Now I've got a bit more of a strict criteria because I haven't seen exactly what I like to see. So now my criteria is starting to get a bit more strict because there's some things that I would have liked to see better. So I'm going to need a steeper wick than this. And if I were to enter, it would be at the break of this wick here. I would be kind of anticipating the wick fill here. Hey, you guys, I'm not going to be streaming on Thursday. I'm going to be over on Aaron Trades' stream on Thursday. I'm going to be guesting on Aaron's stream on Thursday, and then next week he'll be guesting on mine. So on Thursday, if you guys, we'll stay active in the chat, in the Discord, but yeah, come over to the Aaron stream. We'll crush it over there. Asdog. Dock and stream, exactly. Stream docking. Can I join? Absolutely. It'll be free. It'll be on YouTube. Who's Aaron Trades? Aaron's just another, he's a friend of mine. He's an Australian trader. You guys live trading together? I don't know if we'd say that. I'll more just be guesting on his one. I'll have my chart up. I'll probably be streaming what I'll be looking for, what I'll be looking at in the mentorship. But, and then just kind of guesting on Aaron's. Because we do trade differently. I'll join the streams. Thank you. Same strategy? No, not really. But similar. You provide signals? Do you provide souls? Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this. It could leave. I really want a steeper wick. I'm going to probably need a steeper wick, man. I have to be a bit strict with what I'm looking for here. If it falls back within the range, then it was a fake breakout. Yeah, I guess you could say that. Yeah. Guess that's pretty accurate. How many strategies do you have in total? One. But my strategy gives, I call it a type 1 and a type 2. There's two, like the foundation of the entire system consists of two types of entry models, and within those entry models there's a lot of different variables that present opportunities. I subbed to him just to watch when you're on there. Sweet Levi. You've got 8 AM soon? Ah, yeah, so we've got London Open coming in too. Yeah, good point. Yep, good point. What's your favorite thing to trade? Gold. Let's have a look at NQ. NQ looks like dick. There is no trade on NQ unless it moves 100 pips away. Do you trade funded accounts? Yes, sir. Well, that was a pretty obvious, like, that was a very easily avoidable fake out, right? Very easily avoidable fake out, unless it flips in the next couple minutes. That's right, CJ. My first time watching on YouTube, mate. Do you not watch? Dan Wick. Wick Nation. Wick City, bitch. Wick City, bitch. Yeah, you guys on YouTube, there's a Discord, free Discord linked in the it's pinned in the chat there if you want to join the free Discord community over here. Look, we get some crazy analysis like this in the Discord. So I'll bring this down a little bit. If it rejects from here, it's potential that it should push up. I'll put it 1 pip above the prior candle wick. We're making all-time highs. Yeah, we'll have to see. Definitely getting that volume. Nah, Lee, it's chill. What's your take on gold? No bias. We'll just see what happens. Yep, react, don't predict. What's your thoughts on feminism? Who's gonna make the children grow? What time frame you mainly use? I would just say I don't really go any lower than the 15. Put it that way. I don't go any lower than the 15. Big Mad Lord, what up, my brother? How much you made Today, 600 US. Yeah, if this can, I'm going to give this like another minute to flip. If it can't flip in a minute, I want to cancel this because I don't want to be in a trade with 5 minutes till London Open. Should I full port with you? Absolutely not. Big Nate dog. Nate doggy dog. Nate Frog. Do you have a particular handful of stocks? I only trade gold and NASDAQ. But mainly it's like 95% gold, sometimes NAS if there's a really textbook setup. I'm just going to cancel this. And you guys are like, dude, why don't you tell us when you enter? This isn't me doing signals. This is the only purpose that I trade live is because this is just what I do if anyone's there or not. It's not to give signals or do this or that. It's up to you if you decide to trade it as well. Is this account legit? Because I've seen fake accounts. No, this one is, they have me hostage. All them fake accounts have me hostage, forcing me to stream to pretend. So it tricks people. So we've got London Open here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes to London Open. 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. How long did it take you to become profitable? It took me 2 years. How much you funded? 400K. And I got another one sitting there to be activated, but I haven't even bothered. Do you ever think about changing your strategy or maybe blending your own rules sometimes? No, absolutely not. Because I know how long it takes to get to a point where you've got a secure system that actually works. Why break what's not, why fix what's not broken? All right. AI. Yesterday, Raja took a huge pump, 41K prof. Oh, wow. This account legit. This 30 looking like that, failing to break out. 1 hour failing, 30 minute. Interesting. Nice. So let's see what happens when we come into this London Open session. Low key feeling bullish. We don't use the F word around here. We don't use the F word around here. You are saying about Raja Banks? What? Are you another scammer like Ted from Love Island? Yes. I'm an island boy. I already took 3 courses, still don't have any idea what I'm doing. Yeah, sounds like a, yeah, I don't know what to tell you, but. Feminist. We have a type 1 setup, type 2 setup, and then a feminism setup. Two years. It took me 2 years. 2 years of tears, joy, confusion, moments of wanting to give up. Did I make it harder on myself? Yes, but that's a pretty standard thing. Do you trade full time? Yep. There's nothing really to push up beyond that was. I've been learning a lot from your lives. Thank you, bro. It's good to know. Nas, nah, I don't even need to look at Nas. I already know it's a mess. I have a question on funded accounts. If I draw down allowance always for original balance, 100K. I love your live sessions. Change my trading psychology 100%. Nice. Yeah, if you got any trading psychology related questions, like just let me know what you're thinking. Because man, like here's the thing, you guys. I feel all the pain that you guys have ever felt. I've felt it, bro. I've been there. I've gone through everything you've ever gone through in terms of the struggles. And I managed after years to make it through to the other end. And with me, I brought lessons. I managed to get through the other end with lessons. And now I want to help you get through and understand that maybe make the process shorter for you. Self-taught. No, I did mentorships and things, brother. What's the most you lost when you started? Probably just everything. Right, so we broke out here. This is the London Open session. Small body 30-minute candle. Weird body 1 hour candle. What does the 4 hour look like? What does the 4 hour and Forex look like? Looks pretty good. Looks quite nice on Forex. It's created a bottom wick. Could be pushing up. The good trade is a hard trade. Yeah, let me move. Most successful people lost everything a couple times. Yeah. Nice, Jack. Appreciate you, bro. Biggest challenge is patience. Yep. And what I say about that, and this is like for the guys in the mentorship, they know this now, that we just sit and wait for a specific thing. And by doing that, it helps your psychology so much and your impatience, because, all I need to do is just wait to see a specific thing, and then I can trade. Until then, I can't feel impatient. I can't feel patient. Like there's nothing. I just have to wait. Appreciate the guidance, bro. We all do. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, bro. All right. Well, like in this case, like if this leaves, there's nothing you can do about that. All right. Didn't even create a bottom wick. It's a new 1 hour. The 30-minute candles look weak. It's just like, all right, cool story, candle. Do you do mentorship? Yes, sir. Link in bio if you want to see more about that. But let's see. One thing's for sure, these candles aren't going far. All right. We're not going to come in like an hour and there's just nothing there. No. I can see you, candles. I can see you. Daniel, come on, bro. Come on, bro. What? Don't take a loss as a loss. Take it towards payment, towards education. Yeah, for sure. You can look at it like that. You are awesome, Levy. I've heard of Trading Pool. Is he legit? I'm not sure, bro. I've only seen just like random TikToks and stuff. Daniel, do you look at your charts after you close your trade? No. When I call it a day, I try to call it a day, because if you call it a day, you guys, then you jump on the charts and just have a little sticky bit. Oh, let me see I wonder where gold ended up going, right? Oh, that looks quite nice. And you can get sucked into another bullshit trade. You guys realize you don't have to take every trade. Like if you see a setup, you don't have to take it. If you're already up for the day or whatever it is, and you're done for the day and you see another setup, you do not have to take it. You're already up. You made money. You pulled money out of thin air. Don't go back in. You pulled money out of air, bro. Do you want to give it all? Do you want to risk giving it back and then maybe revenge trade and giving it all back? And that's why I tell guys in the mentorship, like we take 0 to 3 max. If you take 2 losses, call it a day. But 3 trades max. You don't need to trade. And that's even an advanced concept. I think guys should be only taking 1 to 2 trades a day. I very rarely take 3 trades a day. It's either 0, 1, or 2. Hey Dan, is 10 micros equivalent to 1? Yes, that's right. Yep. That's right. How did you miss the long? I didn't miss it. It wasn't an opportunity to take it. You know, if you see a candle like this move like that and you say, hey, how did you miss that buy position? It's like, what? Just because you know it, just because you have a good idea that it's going to move in that direction, that's only one part of the equation. The second part of the equation is, where am I logically going to get in? And when I say logically, I'm talking about your stop loss. Where am I logically going to enter that makes sense to my system and can put my stop loss in a safe position? I lost 10 bucks today. That's all right, bro. Learn from it, journal it, come back tomorrow. Yeah, I'll show you guys. This is my new journal I've started. You know, I might have to figure out how to update it, you know, the old journal information and put it in there, but I mean, it's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Got your screenshots. Oops. How much was it? How much was the trade? What was it? London Open? What were the notes? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, nice, Adam. Call it a day. Good stuff. Found a discount for 25K, 30 a month. No activation. Oh, which one's that? Who's that with, John? Revenge, that's wise word that's burnt me. The calling it, knowing when to call it a day. Yeah. It burns everyone. And that's why I'm like, man, if I can just save traders without having to go through that pain, it's going to help you a lot. The longer you stay in the market, the more likely you're going to give back. Yes, sir. And it takes the dissolving of ego to understand that. Like, you have to kind of dissolve your ego to the point where you realize, fuck, I actually can't outsmart the markets. Like, it's smart. It'll always get you. You're never going to be better than the markets. You just have to get really good at doing one little thing at one particular time, and that's it. And then leaving, walking away. I'm walking away from blowing another account. I'm walking away. So, that massive bullish candle creating an imbalance on the FVG. I don't know, brother. Sorry, I don't know about that kind of stuff. From struggles in my life. Who's that? Craig David? Krag. Bro, Craig David. When I think of Craig David, I think of like a dude wearing a turtleneck. Is that an accurate statement? Let me see if Craig David's wearing a turtleneck in any of these. Close enough. Yeah, close enough. Fuck. Trust me, you look like him. Who? Craig David? I look like Craig David? Ah, Aqua Futures. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna have to look that up. Bro, can you define your risk management? Yep. 0 to 3 trades a day max. If I take 2 losses, I call it a day. A stop loss always goes below a support or resistance level. And that's it. If the trade's looking ugly, I'll cut 50% of it. If my trade's looking nice, I'll cut 85% and let the rest run. Once I was up 1.2 for the day, 200 away from passing an account, I ended up day negative 1.2. Yep, I've been there, bro. Most traders have been there, bro. And all you can do is learn from it. You go, oh yeah, I know what I did. I know what I did. I got so close and I got greedy. That's where when guys say, hey man, I'm so close to passing my challenge, I say, bro, chill now. Even if it takes 2 weeks to pass it, don't let it fuck with your head the fact that you're really close. Don't let it get you, my dude. Yeah, so this 1 hour still hasn't got a bottom wick. I don't know if it will, but we can't really do much until we see shit. Certain things. Not saying that I need a bottom wick, but I just need a bit of structure to kind of understand. Get a bit of a pulse on shit. What up, Victor? How much risk do you take per trade? Depends. Not much. Not much. I trade over multiple accounts. So I don't need to be greedy. Like for today already, I've made 1,000 Australian dollars. Like, and I didn't risk fuck all. How do you learn to chill when you almost hit your target? I guess just time in the hot seat, bro. That's all. Is this recorded? Yes. Do you know who Bo Selector is? No. In the Beninging. I lost 2 million in 6 months before I made... No. Your life is so... Okay, look at this. There's a lot of indecision in this candle. What are we looking at NQ? NQ just looks kind of messy. Yeah, I don't want... There's no need to even look at NQ. But gold. Hey, buddy. I heard Aqua is not trustworthy. Ooh. If I win my first trade, I'm done for the day as well. And that's good, Frank. I like that. Really good. All right, so it looks like she wants to push. You don't use FVGs? No. Well, your average views compared to a month ago crazy? No, this is nothing. Like I used to get average 1,000 on TikTok, but I stopped showing the charts, so it obviously drops. This is FVG laugh face. Bro, do you realize everything is everything? It's like, it's just your terms. I'm saying I don't pay attention. Like I don't think, oh my God, an FVG, quick, fucking divergence. Like I don't even, it's not even on my radar. My 8 years scalping experience tells me it will go up in a few minutes. Yeah, bro. Unfortunately, your 8 years doesn't matter. You can't tell the future. It can really only do two things, right? Go up or down. So you're either right or wrong, 50-50. But you can't predict what it's going to do. No one knows. No one actually knows. Yep, so this London Open candle opened up, create no bottom wick, and she's moving up over here. And it's something I preach all the time. If we can just be patient and let structure form a bit, we will get an opportunity. Well, I won't say we will, but there's a high probability we will get an opportunity. Bro, search Bo Selector. You have to after search. Use supply and demand. No, it's just more, yeah, I guess you would just say support and resistance, key areas of interest. Pass my second 50K on top. Nice, Nate. Beautiful. Very good. My boy's stacking accounts over here. Is it resistance higher now? No. So I'll be using this as support now that it's on this end. Resistance will be up here now. It's all the way up here. Got clean traffic all through here. I'll put resist. So check this out. If this candle were to come down and then flip red, then that would become resistance because it's a top now. But if this candle closes like that, then it's covered, but we've got the red on this side, then it's support. You know what I mean? Mm. 32 likes, Dan. No, come on, you guys on TikTok. I nearly got 1,000 views here, and we've only got 38 likes. Nah. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, you guys. I'm live every day. Every day over here. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying, Nate. I see what you're saying. Delta, you're right. Okay, so if that was a level of resistance, yeah, you're right. What was I thinking? See, this is why I need you guys sometimes. Yeah, I do like the closure. My only reservation is the fact that we haven't got a bottom wick here. What does it look like on Forex? I do like the 4 hour on Forex. Wow. So we closed above a very strong level here. And we've retested and now flipping. I'm going to need a wick. If I get a wick here, a bottom wick, I'm interested in a buy. It could leave here. I'm going to need a bit more than that. Yeah, I'm going to need a bit more than that, unfortunately. Yeah, looking to fill that wick for sure. Do you think it's better to remain as patient as a new trader, or do you think it's better to get reps and get a feel? Oh, it's always better to be patient, but as a new trader, you're going to go through the turmoil. So whether you say you're going to be a patient trader or not, it's not really up to you. It is up to you, but like you won't be able to control it. What are your thoughts on instant accounts? Depends. I think, yeah, if you can just get instant accounts, if you know you're going to make money. Blew my account again. It's been 5 years. Do you know why you blew it though? That's the biggest thing. Do you know why you blew it? Because I'm sure you do. So now you just have to face. You have to face the things you've done to blow it and over leveraging. Yep, there you go. So now you know what to do. No more over leveraging and over trading. There you go. And hey X, guess what? That's the reason everybody blows their accounts. Everybody blows their accounts for over trading, over leveraging, over risking. It's all the same shit. Like there's no secret to success in trading. Like obviously you need a proven system and strategy, but the system and strategy is never the issue. It's the person that's the issue. Right? I'm not saying you specifically. I've done all the same shit, bro. So it's just an interesting thing to know that like, oh, okay, like everyone, everyone's doing the same shit that's failing at this. Do you ever try 1 minute? No. Yeah, I'm kind of glad this isn't pushing up here. I really would like this 1 hour to create a bottom wick. How many pips should the bottom wick? It doesn't really matter too much, Matt. It doesn't matter too much how like low this goes. Right? If it does start to flip up within the, 5 minutes before the closure of the candle, I'll be interested still. Oh yeah, John, just about the instant accounts. It's like, if you already know that you're a profitable trader, you probably don't need to pay for the instant because 1, they're going to take a bigger cut, and 2, it's more expensive. So you're better off just getting a funded account and just passing that, I think, personally. Your whole life. Huh? Wick for liquidity sweep? No, just for like a retest. I want to see how it reacts if it pushes down. If it can flip back up, that gives me more confidence that it's ready to continue up. But it's looking quite aggressive on the way down here right now. Looking quite aggressive on the way down here. Why do so many accounts just type buy or sell? Because they've all got severe mental issues. Got severe issues. You guys that type buy or sell, it's like, why are you trading? Like, this is your ticket, bro. This is your ticket out of the matrix. Trading as a skill. Going into a TikTok chat and saying buy or sell is insane. It's fucking insane. So you're better off just going to the casino, man. Can I become profitable in 5 to 9 months? No. You can get profits, right? You can get profits, but you can't be a consistent profitable trader in that short of a period. It's just by the laws of the universe, like time equals equation, fucking whatever. Like you need to go through different market conditions and emotional situations in order to know how to handle it as a long-term trader. Right. I'm walking away.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. How did I get triggered in so quickly? From the troubles in my life. I forgot to give a jump scare warning. Warning. Yeah, I'm just looking for a bit of a wick fill over here, ideally. What is a 5 minute? Yeah, I'll put my stop loss down here. Don't really have much 15 minute like clear area for a support.
Order filled.
There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. You guys got to drop a dub in the chat if you caught that as well. Drop a dub in the chat, you guys. Let me get a bit of footage here. Clean breakout trade. Clean breakout trade. In front of nearly 1,000 people over here. Yeah, nice. That was a good trade. Damn, look at all these dubs. All these guys caught this as well. Wow. Okay. Okay, wow. Everyone caught this trade, apparently. Nice, Matt. Nice. Wow, Chester. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do you guys understand that one? That's like a pretty just, like we can't get any more textbook in terms of a type 1, just a breakout trade. Nice, Delt. Little rat scalp all day, that's it. Hey, you guys, because at the end of the day, it's a simple breakout. And then Matt, as it was wicking down, it was coming down quite far, right? And he said, hey, how far? What's the limit of when it wicks down? Is there a limit? And I said, no, it doesn't really matter. As long as it can flip back up with enough time still on that candle. And that's exactly what it did. It wicked down quite far and then it flipped back up with enough time in the candle and we took the trade. We took the trade. So remember that you guys, especially your mentorship guys, like please, this is exactly the next thing you need to be doing is getting a screenshot here for the journal. Typing in why we took it and all that kind of shit. Took a wick fill over here. Download. Tuesday. MGC. Type 1. Wick fill. I use 0.5. What was it? How many was that? What was that in terms of ticks? Oh, wow. That was 23 ticks. It was a long position. Type 1. Stop loss was 23. So it was a 1-to-1. Take profit was 23. Partials, no. Don't need to worry about the partials. Exit logic. TP was hit. It was a win. Based on the 15 mainly. And it was in the London Open. Net was 130, 120, I think. And screenshot, I'll attach the screenshot. Cool. And we'll just keep collecting data like that. And then you know what I can do here? I can start putting filters in and saying, hey, on a Tuesday, when I take a type 1 trade at London Open, what's my win rate? And what happens is you'll start to identify reoccurring things. Oh shit, on a Tuesday, when I take a type 2 during the Asia sesh, I typically lose. You know what I mean? Like you start to kind of put the pieces together. Oh wow, look at this, you guys. Okay. Dub 250 out. Nice, nice. Very nice. Got 19. Beautiful, Whitpole. Beautiful. Doesn't that encourage excess risk? Daniel, what encourage excess risk? What you're journaling in? Just a Notion template. Caught 36. Wow. I typically lose any trade. Should I start? Should I just give up, bro? Do you do any more? I think I'm done. I've already up. I've had 2 dubs today, so there's no need to kind of force anything. Oh, wow. Julie over here is still in this trade. Make sure you guys drop a subscribe for the YouTube as well if you caught that, and drop a thumbs up. Drop a thumbs up. Where do you have your journal? It's the guys in the mentorship have a copy of it, but oh wow, look at this. Massive push. Hey you guys, if you took this dub and then it moves, don't allow any FOMO to creep in. Don't get greedy, man. You just made a good, clean trade with good profits. 23 pips is a lot, man. Don't stress out. Don't think, oh, I could have got more. Fuck all that shit. Don't be a pussy about it. Should have let a runner. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Should have. Oh my God, what if I, oh. What's 900 USD to AUD? Damn, 1,400 for the day just by clicking a button. Just by clicking a button, you guys. What a glitch in the matrix trading is. Your patience is just amazing, man, and knowing what you were looking for and executing without hesitations, mate. Yeah, that's it. That's the biggest thing. And I always say this, man, if we're looking for a certain thing and it happens, you cannot be a little bitch about it. Like, just click the button. Like, you've said you were going to wait for a thing and now it's doing it. Just do the thing. Doesn't mean you're going to win, but it's your system, it's your strategy, it's your edge. Just do the thing. Is it advisable for a trailing stop? Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of trailing stops personally, but, you know, it was so hard to find somebody that actually trades. Took me a few years of losing. Yeah. Are you in Dubai? No, Australia. 5-day win streak for me. Wow, yeah, Mitch is crushing it. Mitch has joined the mentorship recently. Absolutely crushing it, man. Beautiful. Caught that, Dan? Nice. Yeah. Yep, very nice. Gotta love your edging technique. Island Boy breakout is definitely... Bro, you don't sleep on the Island Boy breakout. Hey, you guys, I appreciate you guys jumping on. I'm done for the day. Look at this, you guys. I'm locking myself out. Done. All day. See ya. You know what I mean? Lock yourself out, you guys. If you're up for the day, you've done your part. Don't worry about it. Your job isn't to sit there all day and look for the next best thing. You've done your job. We actually successfully did our job today. Now we get to go live our normal life. Don't look at the chart again. Go hang out with your fucking boyfriend, whatever it is. All right? But I appreciate you guys jumping on. I'll chat to you guys in the Discord. drop a follow on YouTube if you're we live stream every day, and I'll catch you guys later.